Hi all, today is the third day of this challenge. So on this challenge, we are working as a group, and the main aim is to have this challenge for 21 days. And I started from first of the month. So today is my third day. On Tuesday, I run one video, and yesterday I ran that video during the uh, Q&A meeting, and that was on the habit of persisting. So today we woke up very early. We met around 3 a.m. and to review as a group. That's the power of mastermind. Sometimes it's difficult to uh, do this thing on your own alone, but if you must uh, make sure that somebody hold you accountable, you need to mastermind with others, and that give you the energy. Sometimes when you are down, with the energy of others, you can do what you feel you couldn't do. If I was to do wake up by 3, maybe alarm, set out alarm, and at that time maybe I may not. I say okay, I will do it later. But because others are involved, and I woke up that time, and I'm compelled to join that meeting, to go for that meeting. So, and that is different way that you can take control of the power of the mind. That's my topic this morning. Uh, Everything that you can do in this world is about use the mind. Our mind is the greatest and the biggest computer nature, that and it's so complex that the scientists have looked at it, and that the power it has is not proportional to the function of our body. So if we only allow the brain to work on our body, do the body function like breathing, moving the muscles and all this, the entire power of that brain is wasted. As our mind is wasted. So we can do great things by taking control of the mind. And there are so many things written, so many great men that you can follow, and there are so many literature you can follow to take control of your mind. And we'll be taking this one by one. So your mind, you need to be conscious of what you're thinking. It's not about just allow things to flow or others to influence your mind. Think, sit down in a quiet environment and ask yourself about certain things you want. Have a desire. What do you want? If you're in lack of money, sit down and ask yourself, how do I? Don't think about how poor you are. Think about how you can how you can make the money, how that money that you're looking for can come to you. And that's the power of your mind would guide you in a journey step by step, and you'll be able to get that money, that which you want. When you start thinking, you need to go through the process. And by reading literatures, by masterminding with others, you understand the principle of how to do each of these. You're not those that work on rocket, build cars, build different things. They are not different from you. You have that inbuilt power in you, just that you need to activate it. And it is, you have to train it. It's like a muscle. If you leave it unattended to, it began withered, weak. But if you pump it, train it every day, have exercise, you activate that muscle power and then can do whatever you want to. For those that are in the boxing, those athletes, they can see, you can see how important they are. They are normal, ordinary people, but by the time they start putting this training every day on a regular basis, persistently, they become extraordinary people. The same thing with our brain. We can put our brain to task, focus on what we need, and we can become extraordinary. We can become special people on that subject. So thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and make sure you decide, when you decide today, that you will take control of your mind. Make sure you use that power, the mind power. A very good book I would recommend is the Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. And the introduction of that book, introduction of the 13 basic principle for getting rich, is when the mind power and different things that you can do to take care of that mind power. So thank you and God bless you.